अब हम रात के टाइम अप्रोक्स 2:30 जो 5 बजे निकलने वाले थे। वी प्लान इट एट मिडनाइट एंड बस निकलने की तैयारी है अभी। जस्ट फ्यू पैकिंग्स एंड डन। वी आर ऑल गुड फॉर द ट्रिप एंड यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते गाड़ी को बिकॉज इट विल मेक लॉट ऑफ नॉइज़। तो अभी हम इसको शांति से बाहर लेके जाएंगे। ओके क्वाइट क्वाइट लेट्स गो। शट अप मैन। लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो। तो दिस इज़ लाइक क्रेजी कि हम अनएक्सपेक्टेड टाइम पे अनप्लैंड और अनएक्सपेक्टेड लोकेशन पे जा रहे हैं।
Plastic to put on a phone case.
Oh,
So come let's go, no?
see, we know the route till
Gokarna.
Murdeshwar.
Murdeshwar.
So remove the phone and keep it in the pocket.
It's okay.
Why are you fucking up with the phone? Simply for no reason. चलो निकलते हैं। तो हमारी सवारी निकल चुकी है चिकमंगलूर के लिए। इट्स गुड टू राइड अर्ली मॉर्निंग मैन। अलग ही मजा है। क्लीन एम्प्टी रोड, चिल्ड वेदर। हाँ बारिश का डर है थोड़ा सा, तो हमने इसलिए गोप्रो निकाल दिया था, बट आई लव इट। आई मीन बहुत सही है। इतना अर्ली कभी राइड नहीं किया था मैंने। टू बी लाइक 5 or 6 AM in the morning, but then today it's like 3 AM in the morning। अब देखना फॉग लैम्प होने का फ़ायदा। और ये मैंने फॉग लैम्प ऑफ किया, ये दूसरा ऑफ किया। देखा विजिबिलिटी कितनी है, कुछ नहीं है। ओके नाउ सीधा फॉग लैम्प। इतना फ़र्क पड़ता है रोड की विजिबिलिटी पे, और स्पेशली आप जब राइड या फॉग या ऐसे जगह पे राइड कर रहे हो जहाँ पे स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं है, तो आपको ऑक्सिलरी लाइट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती ही पड़ती है। अप्रोक्स 250 किलोमीटर्स राइड करने के बाद में हम यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं, और ये प्लेस का नाम है मारवांटे बीच। ये बहुत पॉपुलर है। जब इसका शूट से ड्रोन पे लिया जाता है तब प्रॉपर आता है इसका व्यू। बहुत अच्छा है। Hello. Hello. We can't go there. Just let's. मारवांटे बीच के पास। So this is the मारवांटे बीच। बहुत सही व्यू है यहाँ पे देखो। fuck.
Take a picture of this road like that. And this coming. Oh fuck, this is a private property. Oh fuck. Look at the view, man.
Huh? But tell me one thing, what are these plants? Coffee or tea?
Huh?
These
Vanilla.
vanilla?
Vanilla.
I thought it's coffee or something. It's out of the way. So, हमने इजी रोड लेना छोड़ के कुछ तूफानी करने का सोचा है. एंड ये देख लो. दिस इज हाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इट. उस गिर विर मत जाना बेंच. It's easy, man. I know, but like little good. क्या प्लेस है भाई ये. Oh my God! You can see the wind. Actually मेरे को पीछे खींच रहा है हवा. इतना strong है. See, like look at my hands. Look at them. Amazing place. Oh. What an experience, I mean. Don't show the movie.
I put this here. Back it! Flying in the wind. Flying in the wind.
We got there. And I did it.
And
अपने आप सब हो जाएगा. कुछ मत करो, बस खड़े हो जाओ. बस हेयर स्टाइल चाहिए, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. नहीं यूट्यूब पे देख. Try my hair. Try my hair.
Solution. Depressed mindset solution. What more you want?
Oh yeah. So यहाँ पे
These are the steps.
ये कोई एक टेम्पल है. पता नहीं कौन सा है. चलो जाके देखते हैं. Come, let's go. Finally we reached to the steps.
Chikmagalur Adventures. 3 kilometers on a 45-degree incline. And now look at the steps. Show the steps. बनी भी आ गया इधर ऊपर. शायद रवि का
रवि ये क्या किया? क्या किया है? फाइनली हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँच गए हैं. I don't know कौन से साइड से. This is the place, and yeah, we are going more up. रास्ते में हमें ये मिला। Nice place. Here we start the trail. Yes. And go down first and then off, I guess. Yeah, this is the way. The jeep. मजा Huh? We'll stop somewhere first. Down. It's gonna be fun, bro. Oh, fuck, stop here. Woo. Nice adventure diary. Oh, fucking hell. Here we go. Wow. Bro, but that jeep didn't come this way. I didn't see the jeep footprint. But still we came. We'll go and see now what is there. That's it? Huh? Yeah. I guess we need to go down with the jeep ka prints. Or maybe the straight road we should take. Yeah. There's I can't see the trail anywhere. Or maybe that is there, the mountain cut. Whoa!
picture of the bikes here.
Today and हमने ABS ऑफ कर दिया. Let's go now. Need help? Hold, don't. Oh fuck, this is crazy. Should have come from this side, boss.
I should have gone that way.
Yeah,
Sure, I can go from.
so there's nothing to pull right from front.
Hold the bike on the back.
So it will go inside this. So I can't be behind and pull. Okay. So hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wait, hold. Now turn this handle. Or fuck.
Just go back and go that way.
No. You have come all the way. So when I say 1, 2, 3, go. Hold.
Just go back. Hold the bike on.
Wait. Come. Root. Hold. Stand up. You know what? I got an idea. I could take it ahead. Go. We'll take it ahead. Go ahead. Go. Come on, go. Yeah, you did it. Good. Easy.
Just take it beside.
I'll just take the balaclava off. It's suffocating me. Wait, don't take rear. You can go easily here. Now I can breathe. Nice. Go. Go now. Slowly. It's okay. Sit on the base plate. Go. Okay. Where you will take behind now? You'll be more fucked. So what you do is, I'm holding the bike. Remove those front stones from the front. Yeah, I'm holding the bike. Leave the bike.
Can't breathe with this.
Huh?
Can't breathe with this.
So put the don't remove entire. Okay, fine. Now it's fine. Better, right? That's why I was saying helmets are irritating on the off-roads.
Let's do this shit.
Remove those stones, front ones. And I'll definitely need your help to climb up here, my bike.
Down.
Fucker, you had an off-road tire and the mud filled and it's flat now. Remove this also from the chain pocket. Chain pocket. No, that won't come out. It's okay, let it be. Remove this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so is that sharp stone gives us a passage? Yeah, there's a passage, but it will slip, man. Yeah, it's coming out. But there will be a this is a pothole ray if you remove that. So now do one thing. Start it off the bike. Don't be on the bike. Start it and slowly we'll take it. Use clutch, huh? Fuck, I'm dirty all over here. Shit.
Take it slightly at the back.
Huh?
Take it at the back slightly.
Yeah.
No. Let me go. Okay.
No, it will go. Go slowly. Go. Wait.
Well, I'll lift it from here.
That stone is there, no?
I'll lift it at the same moment. When you accelerate, I'll lift it. This is why I didn't want the rubbish. Okay, you don't do that. I'm lifting it from behind. So, do it. 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Ready?
1, 2,
3, go!
let's take it back.
No, we are not taking it back.
I'm scared that this might go, Ray.
No, nothing will go.
That should not go.
Okay, we have to anyway remove this stone. This is a big hurdle for us. Oh fuck! Try to remove this stone or put some minor small stones in front of the tire. No, don't think.
Yeah.
It's coming out. Vishal, listen to me.
Wait, I'm removing it. Fuck, it's deep inside.
So what I'm saying, pick up these small stones.
And put over there so it doesn't hurt land.
Yeah, here. So it just gives a direct lift to it. I'll try to take it little behind more.
No. No. Wait.
You put another messy one. Break, huh? 1, 2, 3. Chill, Ray.
I'm going to fuck the tire.
Center, I guess. Just see whatever is comfortable. Go there. We made a way, no? Go from there. Oh, easy. You want me to come? You want me to come or manage? Now go. Wait. Now again. Front obstruction is there. Behind is clear. Check the front tire. Don't keep it that straight. Yeah, go. No. Wait. Let me come. So you missed the trail. Let me see how bad it is. Take behind and take this.
Now going back.
It will go. Come on. Done. Do it. It'll go. Accelerate. Hold. Go for it. Go for it. Hold.
Do something.
No, hold. Go.
Okay. 1, 2.
Come on, let's wait. 1, 2, go! Go for it! Shabash! Wait, I'm coming. Oh, great. Oh. अंदर पकड़ के बैठ गया. Come, Ray. अरे आगे रास्ता कौन दिखाएगा, चल। Hell, man. Whoa! Woo! This is the way to this, what is it called? Kyatanamaki. This is the way, right? This is not? Okay. Oh, this is the way? I don't know. These are curious. Where to go? Bro, this Kyatanamaki. The guy in the blue? Can you just go and talk to him because you seem more polite? Can you just go and ask him because you seem more polite to him?